Hello and welcome to the Moorhead-Outlet store. In today's video, we are demonstrating a 2008 Case IH MX305. This MX305 features 305 horsepower and a 16-speed power shift transmission. Moving on to the rear, where you'll find 4 remotes, 2,000 pounds of rear weights, and a 1,000 PTO. And over to the tires, this 305 rides on 480/80 R34s in the rear and 480/70 R34s up front. And up to the cab, where you'll find a foot throttle, leather seats, and beacon lights. Thank you for viewing this Case IH MX305. If you're interested in this tractor and would like to contact our sales staff, give them a call at 877-886-7010. If you're interested in viewing more equipment, go online to TitanOutletStore.com.